Okay, so here is an opportunity from the Barclays company. It is a graduate program, technology developer graduate program 2025 Pune. So to apply for this job, so link is given in the description box. So you can apply. So once you open that link, you can get all the details about this opportunity. So everything is mentioned here. What you get in turn. So paid holiday vacation, flexible working, voluntary benefits, life insurance, retirement planning, and purpose of the role, analyst expectations, what and all, everything is available. You can so if you want to apply, so how to you can see how to apply. Step 1 your applications, step 2 your assessment, step 3 interview, and step 4 next continuation. So all the details are given here. You can apply for this position. So the link is given in the description box, and share to your friends also, and like the video without fail.